blink, and suddenly 3 months are gone. No progress, no discipline, no glow up, just time. That slipped through your hands. And now you're thinking, did I just mess up my entire year? Let me be real with you. If nothing changes now, the next 3 months will disappear the exact same way. But what if those wasted months were actually your advantage? Sounds crazy, but stay with me, because this isn't motivation. This is strategy. You didn't waste time because you're lazy. You wasted it because you were unfocused. Lazy people don't feel bad. You do. That means you care. But caring without direction? That's like pressing the gas in neutral. You're making noise, not progress. Quick question. How many day ones have you had this year? Yeah, exactly. You're stuck in a cycle. Motivation to action, to inconsistency, to guilt, to quit, to restart. And the worst part? It feels like progress, but it's not. It's just emotional movement. Break this now, or it won't just be 3 months you lose. It'll be the whole year. Step 1. Accept it. Step 1 is simple. Accept it. Say it. I wasted 3 months. Not to shame yourself, but to stop lying to yourself. Because most people don't restart. They negotiate. I'll go slow. I'll try a little. No. That's exactly how you got stuck. Step 2. Change your identity. You don't need a new plan. You need a new identity. Right now, you see yourself as inconsistent, so you keep proving it. Flip the story. Stop saying, I'm trying to be disciplined. Start saying, I don't break promises to myself, because every action becomes proof of who you are. Step 3. Lower the bar. Here's where most people fail. They go from 0 to 100 overnight. Gym daily. 5 a.m. wake-ups. Perfect routine. Relax. You're not rebuilding your life in one day. You're rebuilding consistency. Start small. 10 minutes of focus. 1 task done. 1 promise kept. That's it. Sounds too easy? Good. Easy is repeatable. Repeatable becomes unstoppable. Step 4. Create urgency. You need pressure. Set 1 rule for the next 30 days. I don't miss. No excuses. No negotiations. Because every day you wait, you're choosing to stay the same. Step 5. Remove distractions. Let's be honest. You're not lazy. You're distracted. Your phone, social media, endless scrolling. You're not tired. You're overstimulated. Try this. Sit in silence for 5 minutes. If that feels uncomfortable, that's your problem. Step 6. Track wins. Track your progress daily. Build a streak. Because once you see it grow, you won't want to break it. And that's how consistency is built. Your mind will try to stop you. I'll start tomorrow. I deserve a break. That's not logic. That's comfort. So stop asking, do I feel like it? Start asking, is this who I am now? If yes, you act. No debate. You are not behind in life. You're just inconsistent with your time. Fix that and everything changes. You didn't waste 3 months. You learned what doesn't work. Now restart. Smarter, stronger, focused.